If you're looking for ways to streamline team time approvals, you're in the right place. Managing time approval processes can often be frustrating and time-consuming, but with the right tools and methods, you can drastically cut down on the back and forth and make the process smoother for everyone involved. In this video, I'll walk you through how to streamline team time approvals, and I'll also show you a software that will make this process easier and more efficient. Let's dive right in. The first step in streamlining team time approvals is to automate the process. Manual approval workflows are not only time-consuming, but can also lead to errors or missed hours. This is where software can help. By automating the approval process, you eliminate bottlenecks and make it easier for team members to submit and managers to approve or reject time entries quickly. Next, make sure you have a clear and easy-to-follow submission system. Using a software that integrates with your existing tools, such as project management or payroll software, will help ensure that time entries are tracked accurately and submitted in a format that's easy to review. A simple interface for your team makes submitting time as seamless as possible, reducing confusion and mistakes. Communication is also key. Having a clear approval flow within your software means managers can leave comments, request clarifications, or even approve time directly without ever leaving the platform. This eliminates long email chains or multiple back and forths, saving time for everyone involved. Another important factor is setting up custom approval rules. Whether you need approval for overtime or have specific criteria for certain time entries, a good software allows you to define these rules, so time is automatically flagged for review if it doesn't meet your set parameters. This makes approvals quicker, reduces human error, and ensures compliance with company policies. Finally, ensure your team has real-time access to their submitted hours and approval status. Having visibility into where their timesheets stand helps avoid follow-up emails and provides transparency in the process. It also empowers your team to quickly address any issues that may arise. Now, before I wrap up, I want to remind you that if you want to follow along with what I've shown you, I've partnered with a software that streamlines time approvals in a way that's both simple and powerful. I'm offering an exclusive free trial to my viewers, so make sure to grab that in the description below. Key takeaway from this video: streamlining team time approvals is all about automating, integrating, and communicating more effectively. By using the right software, you can save time, reduce errors, and ensure everything runs smoothly. Remember, automating approvals, setting up clear workflows, and ensuring transparency are your keys to success. Don't forget to take advantage of the free trial available in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to check out my other content. Thanks for watching.